I have created a slide using the smart art, and this is how the slide looks. When I click, it will just show you the option one after the another. And this is the most of the slides you see when people are making the presentations, they use smart art and they ruins the presentation. So now I have changed this particular slide to a new look. So let's see how it looks after. So when I click, it will show you the options, something like this, the four options hanging. Or I have just added photos here, or if you don't want, you can just use something like this also. So you can see the difference between the slide before and the slide after. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle, draw the rectangle, maybe this much size or according to your requirement. Shape outline, make it no outline, and if you like, you can just change the color of your choice. And then I'm just going to insert shapes and I'm going to add one oval shape here. Just click it here, oval shape got created. Shape outline, make it no outline. Right mouse click, go to format shape. I'm going to give a shadow effect. Go to effects, under shadow, select this one which is inside bottom, and then I'm going to reduce the size and I'm going to add it here. So this size is too much big, so let me just reduce it and I will put it here. And shape fill, I will just say a white color. And if you like distance also, you can reduce, and a blur effect also you can reduce. So you can see here I have added just one hole. Still this hole is bigger for me. I'm going to just reduce the size further. I think this is okay. Control D and add it exactly at the bottom. Then I'm going to select both, or you can just select using the shift key. Control D to duplicate and add it the other side. I'm just going to add it here. So you can see here I've added two holes, and then go to insert shapes, select a line. I'm just going to draw a line from this point till top, and shape outline, you can give the weight somewhat bigger one, and just make sure that this is exactly in the center, or you can increase the size also. Let me just reduce, bring it down like this, you can see here. Then I'm going to select this, press Ctrl D and add one more here. Then I'm going to add the text. For that, go to insert text box. First I'll say option 1, increase the size, make it bold and bring it here. If you want, you can make it a white font also. And then you can add some detailed text. Insert text, you can add some detailed text. Add detailed text here, a light color, and put it in the center. Now you can see here the first option is ready, so I'm going to select using the mouse this full, all these holes as well as the text. Control G to group it, you can see here, and then just send this to back. Control, just send to back. Now I'm just going to copy this. Control D to duplicate. I'm going to add one here, 3 and 4. Now I'll just copy this, both of this. Control D to duplicate, bring it down, and then reduce the size. Sorry, I'll do one by one. That will be better, I believe. Just we can reduce the size by holding the shift key. You can do like this, something like this, or let me just copy this, Control D, and paste it here. Now I'll just copy these two, Control D, and just paste it. So you can see here our design is ready now. I'm just going to select this and start giving a different colors. Let me just give this color, one purple and one maybe blue. I will change the numbers to 3 and 4. So you can see here this is one group, two group, three group, and four group, but these lines also we need to group it. So I'm just going to select this and these ropes, select these rows by using the shift key and Control G to group it. Then I'm selecting this and these two top rows ropes only, Control G to group it. Then again this and this, Control G to group, and this and this, Control G to group it. So our design is ready. It's time to do the animation. Before just adding the animation, I'm just going to delete the holes which I've created extra here, which we don't need. Select and delete. Hit the delete key. Yeah. And then I'm going to add animation. Go to animations, enable the animation pane, select the first option, and then go to add animation, more entrance effects, and just say stretch and click OK. And the stretch effect option, just say from top, so it comes like this. Then I'm going to select this animation painter, double click, put it here, then here, and then to the option 4 and press the escape key. Now if you see the slideshow, when I click, it will show you the option 1, then the option 2, option 3, and option 4. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.